Hey, Daddy got up a little late on Easter, and look who I run into. My favorite little girl. Well, next to Mama. What? You are just raring to go, huh? Happy girl. Yeah. What are you doing? Happy Easter. Huh? He has risen. Yeah. Oh, look at you. Huh? Yeah. Oh. I think Mama's going to make a nice ham dinner today. Mashed potatoes, fresh ham. And if you're good, you might even get a bite. If you're good. We're not sure yet. But normally you are. Sometimes you get in trouble. Oh, we'll let that go. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at you, you happy girl. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Huh? You gonna say hi to everybody? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, what are you doing? All right.